Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily check your current design dimensions in Canva. There will be three methods that I'm about to show you. So the first method to know what is the exact dimension of your document is by going to the file menu. And right under the name of the document, you'll see the template of this document, the owner, and also the dimension of this particular design. So in this case, the document is 1080p by 1080p. This is an Instagram post. It's definitely a square picture. So that's a simple way to know the dimension of the image, of the design. Another thing that you can do is by using rulers, although this is not exactly easy, but if you are interested, you can definitely do it. So still on the file menu, go to settings and make sure to enable show rulers and guides. And you will see that this is the horizontal rule, and you can see it's about 1080p. It's fairly accurate to the previous number that we just discussed. And also you can see this number is from 0 to about 1080p. So yeah, it's also representing that dimension. Another thing that you can try is by going to share, click download, and on the original original mode, you can see the dimension of this particular document. So that's how you can know the dimension of your Canva document. Anyway, I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.